men, humanity. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, say, seek refuge in the Lord of humanity, the King of humanity, the God of humanity, from the mischief of the slinking prompter who whispers in the hearts of humanity, from jinn and men. And in Ramadan, that's a very important lesson to have out there, right? That it's not just the spirits tempting you. It's what you've done to your own character that speaks from your own seat of soul that could lead you astray, at least secondhand, right? But it's interesting, it addresses the idea of the jinn and men at the very end of it, the fire beings, the fallen angels, as in English we would call them. And no, that does not mean that they were ever malaika. It's we're talking English here. Um, you know, but you put God, you accept God in the chief of all roles, right? So, personal choices, um, the situation of you politically, and the situation of you ultimately. Because Rub is, personal cherisher and stuff like that. The king,